Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's content. Looking across the board, as you guys may know, today is Sunday and we are examining December 11th prices for the entire markets. And over the last 24 hours, you guys can see we are seeing some red across the board. And that's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of downwards momentum happening within its price. But so far, this month of December has still lived up to the expectations. And the next few days as we go into the week could be very interesting and, decisive for the overall month of December. But looking at the overall markets, as I've mentioned, we are seeing, red over the last 24 hours. But today we're going to be looking at Terra Luna Classic. What's happening with the Terra Luna Classic's price and where are we going in the immediate short-term daily basis? So looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, you guys can see we are currently sitting at that and in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But important thing is we're still above that $1 billion mark. Could we possibly go below that $1 billion market valuation once again? It's definitely a possibility. Watch till the end. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 39.7 million. So overall buying pressure is quite low right now as well. But now let's jump into the charts and see what's happening and where are we going in the immediate short term. So obviously on the daily time frame, you guys can see the price is below that level of resistance. But right now, if I do bring out the hourly time frame, you guys can see we saw a wick towards the downside. We have been trading sideways around this range for a few days now, since you guys can say basically since December 9th. We did see a wick towards the upside, but still have not managed to go past above this level of resistance. And I will tell you exactly why we're having a hard time getting above this level of resistance. We have no volume on our end right now, and that's the main factor. You guys can see the volume has literally flattened out. It's not anywhere we need it for for the price to really go towards the upside. And obviously one factor we do need to keep in mind right now is Bitcoin. Look what's happening with Bitcoin. It's still holding above 17K mark, but we are seeing a little bit of a retracement happening within its price. But remember, today we are in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board as CME futures are closed. So that is one factor we do need to keep in mind. But remember, Terra Luna Classic community is massive. It's huge a community, and they're all working together as a team to really get this thing going back, to where it really was. That is not going to happen overnight. Everyone talks about a dollar. Are we going to see $1 once again? And it's definitely a possibility. It's not out of the books, but obviously this burn needs to, be more bigger with more and more exchanges. But imagine where it could be. We just started seeing this burn happen a few months ago, and it has already done about 35 billion Lunc tokens burned off the exchanges. So what does that tell you? More and more exchanges, once they get on this can really become very, very nice. But looking at the price right now in the immediate short term, we do need, if we want to continue this upwards trend, you may be asking, hey, Crypto ZX, where do you want to see? In me personally speaking, again, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. But in order for us to keep this upwards trend, in play, and for it to still be valid, we do need to be above this level of resistance and start heading above these levels that we have seen before this FTX crash. After this FTX crash. And then, right now we are in an upwards trajectory. That is no secret, but like I said, you do not want to underestimate how important this level of resistance is, because if we're not able to close above this level of resistance, we could be in for more downward momentum. And let me show you guys one thing. You guys can see every time the price was not able to close above there, even though we did try sideways, more downwards momentum. So this is why it's very, very important for the price of Terra Luna Classic to get above this. But I will keep you guys posted if anything were to be, noted. Remember, this is a community-driven revival plan that's going to take the entire community to work together and really make this happen. It's not going to happen overnight, but it will take some time. But when it happens, a lot of people will be successful, the ones that really stick around the rough times. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you guys are doing right now. What's your Terra Luna Classic plan? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.